when we thought that Kelly Khumalo was not guilty, guys, another things were revealed that Kelly Khumalo was in contact with the alleged killers, guys, of Senzo Meyiwas, guys. So this was revealed, guys, recently in court, guys.
Kelly Khumalo, 4 cell phone numbers that she did not disclose to the police when this incident took place. These numbers were discovered by the XDS system used by the cell phone analyst and subsequently linked to her activities. Investigation further revealed that she is linked to the actual perpetrators of this murder by means of cell phone linkages. These linkages connect her to accused 3 and 5. It was further discovered that through cell phone analysis, her cell phone memory album has the same photo of a see-through bag containing cash, notes, and in the exact position or location or spot of that of accused number 3. There is no reasonable explanation as to why Kelly Khumalo will be in contact telephonically with the headman or killers of a boyfriend and share the same picture of a bag full of money. Communication records between her and her sister shows that as early as 2013, she wanted to get rid of the deceased, as she puts it. It is apparently clear that she hated him and wanted to get rid of him. She further states that she regrets not succeeding to get rid of him before. Taking into account all these facts, an inference can be drawn that she meant killing him. Cell phone record shows that after the incident took place, she phoned a number of people from 082 703 4358 number, but no call was made to emergency services. She also subsequently went to the witch doctor for cleansing, as was also done by the other accused in this matter.
Yep, guys, I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave your reviews, opinion down in the comment section, guys. I love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.